Hey everybody, Shawn DeWeerd from TechtalkRadio here. I hope you're all enjoying your holiday break as we lead up into the new year. New Year's Day is special for many reasons. For one, it's ushering in the new year, and for some, it's to set resolutions and to stick to those and better yourselves. For some of you this year, it's to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter. Now, you're thinking, why is Shawn talking about Harry Potter on a tech show, right? Well, we talk about entertainment too, and our friends over at the Noble Collection reached out to us in anticipation of the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter and said, would you guys be willing to review some of our stuff and put it on your show? So when Andy told me that I had the opportunity to review some stuff from the Noble Collection, I jumped all over it because I have bought stuff for Caitlin from the Noble Collection. She has bought stuff for herself from the Noble Collection. So I'm excited to get into it. Why we're doing this, again, it's for the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter, which they're doing a special on HBO Max, streams New Year's Day. Caitlin's going to be watching it. I have to work, unfortunately, so I'll have to watch it when I get home from work. But if you go to thenoblecollection.com, you can check out the Harry Potter collectibles on there. But I'm going to show you this box. I haven't opened it yet. They've delivered it to me. I'm excited to see what it is. At the end of the video, I'll shoot some promo stuff for it so you guys can actually see what that is in a little bit better detail than when I'm opening it. But I'm going to get right into it. So I'm going to change my camera. I'm going to show you. Here's the box. This is it. Here it is. Shipped to me. I'm not going to show you my address, but I'm going to open this up right now. I have not opened it. We're going to open it up right now. I'm really excited to do this. It's from the Noble Collection. We'll get this bad boy opened up. Try not to show you my address here. I'll flip it over so you guys can't see it. Paper. Got some paper here. More paper. More paper. More paper. There's the one box. This will be fun. I'll show you that in a second. More paper. And a box. And some stuff to look at, but yeah, we can get rid of this box. Great. Cool. So the first thing that caught my eye, this is going to be fun. Pretty sure this is a mandrake pot. It is. Check this out. This is great. I'm going to open this up. Let me open this up so I can show it to you guys. This is cool. Yep. I saw it right away. It's a nice little plush collectible. It says that it shakes and screams when removed from its pot, so we'll have to see. I think I had to put some double A's in it, but this is cool. It's a Mandrake Collector's Edition plushie. This will be fun. I can only imagine if you got this for a child, how annoying this would be. I know a lot of parents on Christmas Day, I'll know this not too far in the future, but things that make noise are great for kids, so... this is cool. Mandrake cries and shakes when removed from pot. This is cool. All right, so there's that. Like I said, I haven't opened any of this yet. So this one, I'm going to open this. Fragile. Okay. Okay. Let's get this open. Okay, cool. Noble Collection. Oh, hit the mic there. There's a little booklet about their entire collection. This is kind of just what you'll see on their website. I'll show that to you in a little bit later. But what do we have here? We have, well, this has got to be a wand box. This is products inspired by the world of Harry Potter. Yada, yada, yada. That's it. Just a card. I'm not going to know whose wand this is, but this is nice. This is really great. Wow. Okay, this is a wand. It doesn't tell me whose it is. I should know. Caitlin would kill me because I don't know this, but this is definitely a wand. There's some heft to it. This is great. For those of you who don't know, I proposed to my wife in London with a custom-made wand with the ring on it in front of the Westminster Abbey. So the wands are great. I wish I knew whose this was. I'm drawing a blank. but we'll move on to the next one. It doesn't say on the box, which I'm surprised by. I wish it would say on the box whose this was. It doesn't say on the sheet either. There's a number on the end. I'm not sure what that means off the top of my head. Anyways, I'll find out whose that is and get back to you. I should know that. I'm going to take some pictures of this stuff and kind of give you guys some higher quality pictures of it, but these are definitely high quality from the Noble Collection. These are really, really great. I will have to... Actually, I think this is Harry's wand. Harry Potter wand. Harry's wand, I think. Anyways, I'll have to check in and get back to you, but I'm going to show you the website here, kind of give you an idea of what the Noble Collection has to offer, but these are, these are real high quality replicas of wands from the world of Harry Potter. So this is exciting. Anyways, so check out the Noble Collection. Check out the 20th anniversary special streaming on HBO Max New Year's Day, starting at midnight. So watch the ball drop right into Harry Potter. Get to it. You can find links to that on our website, TechtalkRadio.com. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me during your holiday to watch me unbox these items from the Noble Collection. They were really, really great. Pulling the Mandrake out was fun. Putting some AA batteries in there was fun to pull it out and hear it scream. Kids are going to love it. Parents, not so much. The Harry Potter wand was great. Yeah, sorry, I didn't know it was Harry Potter wand. I feel terrible. Caitlin already gave me a hard time when I told her I didn't recognize it right away. The internet's going to have a good time with that. But, it's great. It's fun. It's hefty. It looks, it feels real. It looks real. Wish I could cast spells, but I'm only a muggle. So, check out the Noble Collection, noblecollection.com. They've got all sorts of great stuff on there for the Harry Potter lover or just any fandom, really. They've got tons of other stuff, other fandoms on there too. So go ahead and give them a check them out. I'm Shawn DeWeerd for Tech Talk Radio. You can find us on the web, techtalkradio.com. You can find us on all the social medias, and you can find us on your favorite podcasting platform. So enjoy your holiday. Spend some time with your family. Check out the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter on HBO Max when it streams midnight on New Year's Day. It's going to be great.